Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into MyMedicare.gov for claims and plan info. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.mymedicare.gov and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your username and password, click the Login button again. You will now be redirected to your MyMedicare.gov account dashboard. Here, you can view your claims and plan information. Explore the navigation menu to find various options available. For claims, click on the Claims tab. For plan information, click on the My Plans tab. Review your details and use the available features as needed. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages. Follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot any login problems. Once done, you can securely log out by clicking the Logout button at the top right. This ensures your account remains protected. You have successfully logged into MyMedicare.gov. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.